Metals are calm, but it's that time of the month when central bank headlines dominate the news. Grab your coffee and let's get into it. I'm Shay Russell and welcome to your Mining Minute. Gold bobs along at $27.55 thanks to a hawkish Federal Reserve Bank. Silver remains largely unchanged at $30.72. Copper is at $4.26 per pound, its lowest level in 3 weeks as traders wait for more information around tariffs for the metal. On the other hand, it was aluminium's turn to rise, jumping higher overnight. While Chinese data does point to a slowdown in manufacturing activity, demand for the metal is still expected to outpace supply. Nickel prices continue to slump with Chinese nickel iron plants running at a loss, and the Indonesian production cuts appear to be in name only, targeting recently established and unapproved companies, which will most likely only add further pressure to prices. Brent crude continued to dive down, now at $76.71 per barrel and sitting at a 3-week low. The Fed spoke for the first time this year, and Fed Chair Jerome Powell has said they are not in a hurry to lower rates, with the central bank noting that new policies from the Trump administration should be observed first before reacting. While we're on the subject of central banks, the Bank of Canada lowered rates to 3%, with the BOC sharing concerns of any impact tariffs from the US administration could have. The European Central Bank meets tonight local time, and the ECB is widely expected to reduce the key interest rate. And locally, Aussie inflation data released on Wednesday shows underlying inflation dropped to 3.2%. Still outside the Reserve Bank of Australia's target band, however, markets are now pricing in an 80% chance of a rate cut at the RBA's February meeting. Now tap the like button so you've always got the Mining Minute in your feed.